2025 as reported by Select Committee. Thank you.
Honorable members, I have received 20 notices under Rule 267. 20 notices, Jasakti Singh. Under Rule 267, please, John Bataji, take your place. Please take your seat. Let me read. Honorable members, I have received 20 notices under Rule 267. It's interesting to note that members are often giving suspension notices to discuss a wide variety of subjects. On 21st July 2025, 6 different issues were highlighted, whereas 4 different issues were submitted on each day from 22nd to 24th July 2025. The number of issues contained in notices on 25th, 28th, 29th, 30th and 31st July and on 1st and 4th August were 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 6 respectively. Similarly, 7, 12 and 11 different subjects were mentioned in notices received on 5th, 6th and 7th August respectively. Today's 67 notices contain 5 different issues on which suspension of listed business are sought by members. Some members are submitting notices daily on varying issues. It appears that notices under Rule 267 are being used as a tool to create disorder in the House. In a similar situation, in a similar situation, when the chair received 17 notices, please, in a similar, please read, please wait 1 minute, एक मिनट wait, Diwari ji, please. In a similar situation, when chair received 17 notices under Rule 267 on different subjects, the then chairman Sri Venkaiah Naidu ji on 19 July 2021 stated that, I quote, the Secretariat has received as many as 17 notices for suspension of the rules under Rule 267. Members from 10 different parties have given me notices on the wide range of issues. Members belonging to the same party have given these notices on different issues. This suggests that there is no single view on the urgency of the issues for me to take up suspension of rules. You cannot discuss 17 issues simultaneously. Nobody can dictate the chair. I am sorry to say this. Unquote. Some members have asked yesterday that I read out the names and subjects of the Rule 267 notices. However, there is established practices from the past not to disclose names as well as subjects of 267 notices. Most of the time, the previous chairman, Sri Venkaiah Naidu ji, would only indicate not admitting suspension notices. During the chairmanship of Sri Hamid Ansari ji, the disposing of 267 notices were not even announced in the House. The notices received today are declined. Derek ji, please. Derek ji. आप सब बैठ जाए, डेरेक जी कुछ बोलना चाहते, please.
Sir,
please.
Thank you, sir. First time I'm speaking in many months. Sir, please. When you cite a precedent, sir,
please, नहीं, आप बोलने दे, please.
When you cite a precedent, fair enough, for any subject, there are always 3 counter precedents. Leave that aside, sir. Let's today, on behalf of all of us, the LOP is not here. Let's today make a commitment from here. On Monday morning, we will submit all on the subject of SIR 40 notices.
Rule will apply.
You agree
that rule will apply.
Take this subject up.
Rules will apply.
You agree?
Rules will apply to that. There is a rule will apply to that.
One minute. Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute.
John Britas, you tell me. John Britas, I have already given you also. Please. John Britas ji, I have already given you opportunity. Sir, 1 minute.
Sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Derek ji, 1 minute.
Sir.
1 minute, Derek ji.
The other point is, sir.
Please, be brief. Please. Please.
Sir, I feel bad.
No, please.
Because he's screaming. Sir, the other point is,
please.
Sir, the other point is, it is a democratic right.
Please.
Sir, I'm not finished.
Thank you.
There can be
I have already pass.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, rule 267 itself. Sir, sir, please allow me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, in this rule book, which says the rules of procedure and conduct of business in the Council of States, Rajya Sabha.
उसके बारे में बहुत विस्तार से मैंने explain कर दिया है.
Sir, allow me.
Rule 267 के बारे में बहुत विस्तार से
please
बता
allow
दिया.
me. Please allow me. Page number 92, 267.
I have read.
Clearly specify how the members can put across an issue under 267. My submission to you, sir. Sir, my submission to you is that please do scrap this 267.
Please, I have already explained it
If
in
you
detail.
have, please scrap this. Why do you want
No,
this?
I have already explained.
Why do you want this?
I have already explained
Sir,
in detail.
scrap this. Scrap this 267. And sir,
Tiwari ji,
India is a rich
Tiwari ji,
country.
please, nothing is going on record. तिवारी जी आप बोलो.
सर, विनम्रता से मैं आग्रह करना चाहता हूं आपसे, आपके प्रति पूरा आदर व्यक्त करते हुए कि संपूर्ण विपक्ष चाहता है, मेरी बात तो सुन लीजिए.
जी जी मैं समझ गया.
संपूर्ण विपक्ष चाहता है कि सदन की कार्रवाई शांतिपूर्वक चले, जैसा आप भी चाहते हैं. मेरा एक सुझाव है 267 पर,
उस पर मैं स्पष्ट ओपिनियन दे चुका हूं.
आप एक देखें ना,
जी.
इस पे जो रूलिंग है, जो वर्डिंग है, साफ है. जब देश के लोकतंत्र
प्रमोद जी मैंने उस पर रूलिंग दे चुका. मैं रूलिंग दे चुका नहीं. तिरुचि शिवाजी,
खतरा हो,
तिरुचि शिवाजी, तिरुचि शिवाजी, तिरुचि जी प्लीज, तिरुचि जी, तिरुचि जी
सर,
प्लीज 1 minute प्लीज
sir,
प्लीज तिरुचि
Sir, the laid down rules of procedure in the conduct of business in the Council of States should not only be on paper, sir, but should also be in practice.
I have already explained in detail about it.
Kindly, please. When there is a rule, every day you are citing a reason why these notices are rejected. Kindly give us a clear picture of what are the reasons by which these are all rejected, so that we can go check that and give us.
मैंने अपने previous rulings में I have already given all the reasons in detail. Members, please.
What's the use of this, sir?
This is 0 hour. This is 0 hour. आप please, no, not allowing. 0 hour. 0 hour, please. माननीय सदस्य, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा, आज तक ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स ड्यूरिंग द करंट सेशन वी हैड द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टेक अप 195 स्टार क्वेश्चंस, 195 0 hour submissions and 195 special mentions on various important issues so far. However, due to continuous disruptions, we have been able to take up only 13 start questions, 5 0 hour submissions and 17 special mentions. Because of the disruptions, we have lost 56 hours and 49 minutes of the session so far. The House will meet at 12 noon today.